now I have a small break, only 1 week. So this time I must show, yeah?
Yeah.
First one, always
Okay.
rest. Second one, okay. It will be 18 because 24 hours rest I must show, yeah? 18, okay, okay, no problem. Second one is envelopes. Change on envelopes, okay. Okay, plus 14 hours. It will be, oh, no, this is, sorry. So it will be 16. Money you count better. 16. So here already, yeah? 14 hours different. Press OK. Okay, so now I show on Tacho my traveling back from Europe to Lithuania, and now it's Saturday, yeah? So I needed only show 14 hours and well. So first one always rest, second one envelopes. So from this time I make only a minus 14 hours, so they don't change, only minus 14 hours. 0032. Okay? What is that? Envelopes, exactly. Envelopes, how many hours different? 14. Okay? 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 Yes, yes, yes.